Hello people, today I'm going to show you how to make baked veg crisps, a healthy accompaniment for sure. During lunch, skip those deep fried snacks for munching or for your snack box, kids snack box, you can give this. Or if you are on diet, it makes for a meal altogether, have it with curd. Now I have taken brinjal, beetroot and carrot. I added a bit of olive oil, salt, mixed herbs and pepper powder. Give it a quick mix, and in a preheated oven you can bake it for 10 minutes. I preheated it for 200 degree and cooked it for 10 minutes, and then give it a quick mix and again baked it for 10 further minutes, and then you are ready to eat your crispy baked veg crisps, which are super delicious. Give it a try and comment and tell me how you are liking my recipes. It means a lot, people.